welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. For whoever new to our channel, our store is located in Chennai, Mandavli. You can walk into our store from Monday to Saturday from morning 10:30 to evening 8:30. Or you can do a online shopping either. To purchase the sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 and today's video is going to be our favorite collection, Chettinad cotton sarees. We have got some beautiful varieties of some zari pattern, some thread woven pattern, long border, short border, all mixed varieties in this video. And we have some with blouse also and without blouse also. It's a mixed thing. I've explained about that in the video. Very beautiful collections we are going to see. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 and without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A nice green with sapphire green with purple color combination, contrast border in Chettinad saree with double pate border, single line pate, and after that the border is a floral pattern design, and throughout the body it's a plain body. And the pallu of the saree is this, and this saree do not carry a blouse, it's only the saree. The saree length is 5.5 meters and the price of this saree is 840. In the same pattern we have some nice combination. This is a green with a yellow color dual mix combination with a brown color border, very beautiful double pate border, lovely color combination, looks really nice, grand. This is how the saree looks and the price of this saree is 840. The next combination is a purple with pink. Again the body is a dual shade of blue and purple, so it looks like more like a grey also with a nice pink color border, and the border is again we have some nice purple design also, looking really classy, and the price of this saree is 840. The next combination is a dark peacock green with nice magenta color border. A very beautiful color combination, lovely border, very classic design. This is how the saree looks, nice combination, and the price of this saree is 840. The next is going to be mango yellow with orange combination in the border. So this the saree looks nice, mango yellow with orange, and this is how the saree looks. Very classic color combination, and the price of this saree is 840. Next is going to be sunset orange with red color border. This is how the saree looks, sunset orange with red border, beautiful color combination, and the price of this saree is 840. A very beautiful pinkish maroon with nice contrast blue color, navy blue, ink blue color combination Chettinad cotton saree with zari border. A beautiful color combination, lovely pattern throughout the body. It's a plain body, and the pallu of the saree is a line pallu. This saree do not carry a blouse, and the price of this saree is 690. A very beautiful, nice pinkish maroon color combination body with a contrast pink color border, with a small rudraksha pate on top of it. Very beautiful combination, lovely design also. The body is completely a plain body, and the pallu of the saree is a lines pallu, and this saree do not carry blouse, it's just 5.5 meters, and the price of this saree is 770. A very beautiful purple with mustard color shade border, lovely color combination with a rudraksha pate border, beautiful color combination this saree is. Very pretty one, and the price of this saree is 770. The next combination is a shocking pink with sunset orange border with a nice rudraksha pate border on top of it, zari border. This is how the saree looks, classic design, very beautiful one. The price of the saree is 770. The next is going to be a very different shade. It's more of a peacock dark blue with a violet tinge. It's a double tone shade with a violet color border with zari rudraksha pate border on it. This is how the saree looks, and the price of this saree is 770. The next is a Ganga Jamuna border in the green. This is how the saree looks. One side we have maroon, and on the other side it's a green color border with Rudrakshapet border on top of it. This is how the saree looks. Very, very lovely color combination. The price of the saree is 770. The next is a nice dark mud color combination with dark brown color border with a very nice small Rudrakshapet border. Beautifully woven. Very, very nice color. And the price of this saree is 770. The next one is going to be light green with dark green color combination with Rudrakshapet border again. This is how the saree looks. Lovely color combination. Light green with dark green combination. The next is going to be again a light fawn shade with green color combination with nice zari border, Rudrakshapet border. This is how the saree looks, and the price of this saree is 770. The next is going to be navy blue. In the navy blue also it's a nice Ganga Jamuna border. This is how the saree looks. One side maroon and the other side is a green color border. This is how the saree looks, and the price of this saree is 770. A very beautiful chettinad cotton saree, a nice long border pattern. We have a beautiful unnamed design in the border, a lovely combination maroon and mustard, and throughout the body we have self checks running throughout the body of the saree. Lovely pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse, and the price of this saree is 1070. In the same pattern we have some lovely color combinations, a green with a nice chutney green with a light yellow, mustardish yellow color border with a beautiful thread border in between, more like that Kalakshetra borders. Very, very traditional pattern with the self checks inside the saree. Beautiful one. This is how the saree looks. Classy pattern, and the price of the saree is 1070. It's all running blouse. The next is going to be a nice light more of an apple green shade with a violet color combination with self checks in the body. Very different, unique colors, nice combinations, very beautiful color, and the price of this saree is 1070. The next combo is a very beautiful, nice light color, a mud color shade with a dark brown color border. These colors are very classic colors. This is the saree, beautiful combination. It comes with running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1070. A very beautiful chettinad cotton saree with a nice blue with a pink color combination. Very beautiful unnamed design and a small Rudrakshapet, short and long border pattern. Very classic designs, and throughout the body we have buttas running through the body. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse for this saree. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1100. In the same pattern, a short and long border pattern. It's a nice green color combination, chammangi. It's a double shade of dark green and yellow color mix in the body with a contrast green color border. You could have a closer look. Very beautiful border, and the body we have buttas running through the body. This is how the saree looks. Classic pattern, lovely design, and the price of this saree is 1100. The next pattern is both the sides we have the same length of border, a pink with mustard shade. You could see a closer look of it. Very beautiful one. Both the sides the same length of the border with buttas running through the body. Very, very lovely color combination, and the price of this saree is 1100. The next combo is going to be a nice orange, a dual shade orange with maroon combination. Border is maroon and green color combo. Very lovely traditional combinations. So this is how the saree looks. and the price of this saree is 1100. The next combination is pink with purple. This is how the saree looks. Nice pink with purple with a beautiful design, unpaid design with small rudrakshams in the border. And the body we have buttas, thread buttas running through the body. This is how the saree looks. Very, very lovely color combination. Next is going to be grey with maroon and pink. Classic pattern again. This is how the saree looks. Grey with pink color combination. Very beautiful combination. And the price of the saree is 1100. The next is going to be blue with pink color combination with same unpaid design. A big and small border pattern again. More of a ramar blue shade. This is the body of the saree. And the next is a very, very different combination. Nice chutney green with a black color border. And the design is in nice maroon color. Beautiful pattern. This is how the saree looks. Classic pattern. Beautiful shade, sorry. Beautiful shade. And the price of this saree is 1100. Very beautiful onion peel shade with a brown color combination border. Beautiful rudraksha border. You could see a closer look of the border. Beautiful rudraksha border. And the body is completely plain. Very classic color combination. And the pallu of the saree is a plain line pallu. And the blouse of the saree is going to be a running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of the saree is, sorry, I forgot the price. Price of the saree is 910. In the same pattern, it's a nice orange dual shade pattern with a green color border. A beautiful one sunset orange with nice rudraksha pet border. This is how the saree looks. Very, very lovely color combination. And the price of the saree is 910. The next is going to be a very pretty light fawn with a brown color shade in the rudraksha pet border. Very beautiful color combo. This is how the saree looks. Nice color combination. The next is again a very pretty light brown with a dark brown border. Light brown, it's more of that grey and brown mixed shade, that kind of a shade. Very beautiful brown border. Rudraksha pet border. This is the body of the saree. The next combination is a nice mango yellow with green color combo. Again a very, very traditional color combination. Rudraksha pet border. Price of the saree is 910. The next is a dual shade of fenugreek and pink with a nice pink color border, contrast border. This is how the saree looks. Lovely color combination, and the price of this saree is 910. A nice green with maroon color combination, a long border pattern, looks really pretty with an elephant pet, rudraksha pet, and above that an annam. Very, very lovely design, beautiful combination, look really classic when you wear it. See how beautiful the saree looks when you wear it. Such a lovely color combination, nice green and maroon, and throughout the body we have buttas running through the body. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1100. In the same patterns, a nice wine shade with a pink color border. Beautiful combination, lovely design with buttas running through the body. This color combination is just classic. This is how the saree looks. Beautiful combination, and the price of this saree is 1100. The next color is a very pretty fawn with pink color combination. It's a big and small border pattern. The other side is a small piping border, and one side is a big border. Very, very classic design with butta running through the body. This is how the saree looks. You could have a beautiful look of the saree. Very, very lovely color combo. Next is going to be nice fawn shade, dark fawn, we could say a dark fawn shade with a lovely maroon combination. What a classic combinations these sarees are. The combination looks so stunning, very beautiful combo, and the price of this saree is 1100. Next is going to be evergreen color, beautiful navy blue with pink color combination. Looks so classic and so beautiful. So I'll just show you a better look of the saree. This is how the saree looks. Lovely color combination, and the price of the saree is 1100. The next combination is grey with pink color combination. Beautiful color combination, grey with pink, and the price of this saree is 1100. In the same chetnad saree with blouse pattern, we have some lovely different pattern of borders. All the sarees which I am going to show you will have different borders, but all with blouse in the same range. This is more of an off-white, light off-white with a very classic border of thread border, and above that an unnamped. It's all completely thread border. So this is how the saree looks. A very stunning color combination, beautiful saree, and the price of this saree is 910. The next is going to be a very beautiful maroon with thread border. You could see a very beautiful Rudraksha pet border, big and small border pattern. The other side is a small border. So this is how the saree looks. Very lovely color combination. The price of this saree is 910. The next is going to be a nice blue color with a beautiful manga pet design on both sides with Ganga Jamuna border. One side brown, other side it's a blue color combination with thread border. Very lovely color combination. So this is how the saree looks. This is the body of the saree. Lovely pattern, and the price of this saree is 910. Next is going to be again a very pretty light brown with a dark brown shade border, a manga pet border, and above that a small bunky borders in the border. Very beautiful one with a temple pet in it. Very classic color combination. Looks really very traditionally beautiful colors, and the price of this saree is 910. The next is going to be pink with nice Rudraksha pet border and LIC border in it. Very beautiful border again. Lovely color combo, and the price of this saree is 910. Next is going to be apple green shade with a pink color Annapakshi border, and above that a small temple pet. We have a beautiful Annapakshi design, and all these sarees carry blouses. It's all with running blouse. Very beautiful color, and the price of this saree is 910. The next is going to be light off-white, beautiful one, more of a light dark sandal shade than an off-white. I could say it's a sandal color with thread border in pink, black and green color combination mix. This is how the body looks. Lovely color combination, and the price of this saree is 910. One more color in the same pattern. It's a nice green, more of a parrot green with a pink color combination. Annapakshi border. All these sarees carry blouses, all with running blouse. This is the body of the saree, and the price of this saree is 910. A very beautiful grey with pink color combination chetnad saree with the thread and zari mix in the borders. We have a thread border, and in between we have a small zari border also. Very different weaving, beautiful border, and throughout the body it's a plain body, and the pallu of the saree is a line pallu, and the blouse of the saree is running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1010. In the same pattern, it's a nice neon green with a pink color combination in the border. You could see a pink color thread weaving with the zari weaving in it. Very lovely color combination, beautiful saree. So this is how the saree looks. Very lovely color combo, and the price of the saree is 1010. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.